Introducing the all-new mydlink app, the connected home ecosystem that lets you create the smart home of your dreams. From high-definition cloud recording and live camera views to preset schedules and easy one-tap scenes, you'll be surprised what mydlink can do for your home. Ready to make your home smarter? Let's get started. Finding your way around mydlink. Finding your way around mydlink is simple. This is your home screen. There's a menu button in the top left corner and a settings button in the top right corner. You can also see shortcuts here, but we'll get to them later. To access the submenu pages, tap the arrow at the bottom of the screen, then swipe to navigate to the page you want. To return to the home screen, just swipe down. You can also access the submenus from the menu button. Getting set up. To set up mydlink, first ensure that your mobile device is connected to your home Wi-Fi. Then, search for mydlink on the App Store or Google Play and download it to your mobile device. If you already have a mydlink account, tap Sign In and enter your account credentials. To create a new account, tap Sign Up. Enter the required information, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, then tap the Sign Up button at the bottom. Once done, sign in with your mydlink account. Adding a device. To add a device, tap the menu button in the top left corner, then tap Add a device. For devices that have a QR code, tap Yes and scan the QR code. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. For devices with no QR code, pick a product category and select your device's model number. You can find your model number on the product packaging or documentation. Tap Next and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, enter the PIN code found on the device label. Tap Next and follow the on-screen instructions. You can name the device you've added and set its location. Tap Next and wait while mydlink binds the device to your account. And you're done. Subscribing to cloud recording. If you've added a compatible mydlink camera, you can now enjoy cloud recording. With cloud recording, you can automatically save your clips to the cloud and watch them anywhere, anytime. To begin, tap the menu button in the top left corner, then tap Cloud Recording. iOS users will need to sign in to the iTunes Store at this point. Select the subscription package that best fits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. Controlling your devices. Once you have added your devices to mydlink, it's time to control them. Tap the arrow at the bottom of the home screen. Then, select the type of device you want to control. Smart plug controls. For smart plugs, tap the plug's icon to turn it on and off. If your plug monitors power consumption, tap the Analytics icon to view your usage statistics. Camera controls. For cameras, tap the camera's icon to see its live view. Tap the menu button to adjust audio and video settings. To take a snapshot, tap the camera icon. To record a clip to your mobile device, tap the record icon to begin recording. To stop recording, tap the record icon once more. Sensor controls. For sensors, you can view your sensor's battery life and other details. Viewing events and videos. To access all your recorded events and videos, swipe left to access the Event and Video section. Select your date of interest. mydlink gives you a complete timeline of all recorded events. For video events, tap the thumbnail to view the video. To take a snapshot, tap the camera icon. To pause playback, tap the pause icon. To download the clip, tap the download icon. You can also share the clip to your favorite online service by tapping on the share button. To mark it as a favorite, tap the star icon. Filtering events and videos. Sorting through your recorded events and videos is easy. Tap the filter icon on top to sort them by event type, date, device type, and device location. You can select multiple filters at once. Tap OK to apply the filters. The results are shown in a detailed timeline. Modifying account settings. To change your account settings, swipe left to the Settings page and tap Account. Here, you can change your app wallpaper, account name, and update your password. You can also turn on and off push notifications and promotional emails from mydlink. Changing your device settings. To change device settings, tap on the device icon on the Settings page. Select the device you want to change the settings for. You can change the device's profile photo, name, and location. You can also change the firmware upgrade settings. Auto-upgrade the firmware whenever a new version becomes available. Choose the time when you want auto-upgrades to be performed. For smart plugs, you can turn the LED indicator on and off. For smart strips, you can change the name and location of individual plugs. For cameras, you can set motion detection areas. Tap a square on the grid to toggle motion detection in that area. Orange shaded areas have motion detection enabled. Use the slider to adjust motion detection sensitivity. You can set night vision to auto, on or off, and turn privacy mode on and off. You can also select which storage to use for video clip recordings. Automating your home. To create an automation, tap the automation icon on the Settings page. Tap plus to add a new automation. You can change the automation name and automation type to make it easier to find later. To create a new rule, tap the plus icon at the bottom. Select an event to trigger the automation. In this example, we want camera motion detection to be our trigger event. Tap Next. Now, choose an action to be performed. In this example, we want the smart plug to turn on. Tap Next. When you're done, tap the tick icon to confirm your new rule. With that, you've created your first automation rule. To kick things up a notch, you can add multiple automation rules to an automation. Deleting a rule is simple. Just open the automation by tapping the settings icon here. Tap the rule settings icon. Tap the delete icon next to the rule you want to remove. Then confirm the deletion. You can delete the entire automation by tapping the trash icon at the top. One-tap controls. To make smart home controls even simpler, mydlink lets you bundle and set off multiple actions with just one tap. To get started, tap the one-tap icon. Choose from one of 5 preset scenes. In this example, we'll use the home scene. Tap Edit. Select the automation you want to control with this one tap. Then add one or more actions. Actions allow you to activate or deactivate individual devices in your automation. Set whether you want the automation to be turned on or off by the one tap. For example, the Home one tap turns on the smart strip and disables privacy mode on the camera. With that, you've created a one-tap control. Once you've set up your one-tap controls, you can access them quickly from the home screen. Scheduling your home. If you want appliances to work automatically on their own without you having to manually switch them on and off, then you'll love schedules. To get started, tap the schedule icon. Tap plus to add a new schedule. Tap the arrow to rename the schedule. And assign a category. Next, swipe to select a day of the week that you want to set a timer for. Then tap plus to create a new timer. Choose any automation or action in the menu. Then tap Next. Then tap a point on the clock to add a time frame. Drag to set your start and finish times. You can set multiple time frames in one day. To remove a time frame, tap the trash icon below. To confirm your time frame, tap the tick icon. You can choose to repeat this schedule on other days too. With that, you've just created your first schedule. Deleting a timer. Deleting a timer is easy. Tap the settings icon. Then tap the delete icon on the timer you want to remove. You can also delete the entire schedule by tapping the trash icon on the top. Managing your access list. mydlink also lets you control which devices can sign in to your account. Select Access List from the menu. Then toggle the Access List slider here. When it's on, only approved devices will be able to sign in to your account. When a new device requests access, you can approve or reject the request. You can view the list of approved devices below. To remove a device from the approved list, tap Edit, and then tap the delete icon next to the device you want to remove. Adding shortcuts to your home screen. Now that you've set up your devices, automations, and one-tap controls, you can gain instant access to them by modifying your home screen. To add a shortcut, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Tap the slider to add one-tap shortcuts to the home screen. To add individual device shortcuts, tap the device slider and then select the devices below. You can also add an automation shortcut to the home screen. Just scroll down the menu and choose the automation you want.